I'm going to show you how to copy an effect on TikTok. So go to your TikTok account and scroll until you see that they are using an effect. Now you can use this template, but for the template you need CapCut. So we're searching for an effect, and this is an effect, as you can see. I want to click on the snake and then click on use this effect and then choose whatever I want to choose. Click on next, and now this effect will be added under what I chose, the video or the photo. And same goes with every else, like ultra realistic Goku. You press on it, click use effect, and as you can see I am Goku now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.